Hey everybody, Bo Beery with Coldwell Banker Commercial here. So I wanted to do a quick market report on new construction sales of apartment complexes, market rate. And so I took all of the 2017 and 2018 construction dates that have sold in the last 24 months in the 6 markets I work in Florida. And there were 31 total sales. 22 of those were in Orlando, so I kind of separated them. You'll see them in the spreadsheet that's attached. But as a whole, when you combine them, some pretty interesting stats. I'll look at my notes here. Basically, the average size new construction that sold was between 280 and 290 units. That had a 1.6 to 1.7 bed ratio, so more beds than units. Average sale price was a little over $230,000 a unit, which comes out to about $200 a square foot. The average rents were hovering around $1,600 a month. Average unit size was between 1,100 and 1,200 square feet. And the gross rent multiple was between 11.5 and 12. Now, if you remember, a gross rent multiple is how many times the gross annual rent divides into the sale price. It's not an indicator for any one individual complex, but when you take them as a whole, it's a pretty cool little thing. To give you an idea, the average non-new construction sale of all apartment complexes across all 6 markets for the trailing 12 months is between an 8 and an 8.5 multiple. So these are trading 11.5 to 12 multiple for the same dollar of rent, which is about 40% more. Pretty interesting stuff. All right, that's it. You guys can read the rest on the charts. If you have any questions or want me to run any other stats, be happy to. Again, my website is bobeery.com, BeauBeery.com, and you've got my cell phone. All right, guys, see ya.